we're more than a band. We're an immersive hip-hop experience. So the work we're doing in schools and NGOs while we're here in Belgium is a tool with which to inspire and motivate some young people who maybe don't find themselves reflected in the curriculums in their school, or maybe they don't see themselves reflected in the stories that are in society as a whole. We come with hip hop and music to kind of give them some tools to write poetry, to dance, to DJ, because that's kind of youth culture at this moment.
What I look forward to getting out of this experience is just the understanding and developmental process of everyone that is here in their respective communities, and being able to just take home back something that I can teach my community as well, because we are all learners of like hip hop. We are all under the umbrella and spectrum of what culture is.
I think what's important to know about Cypher Connect, our band, is that we are wanting to connect in Cypher. Cypher is an important element of the hip hop culture, and it creates energy. It's a circle, and we want as many folks in that circle as we can get so that we can connect to each other.
So we're here, all of Cypher Connect, and we're really here just to share the arts and the music all across Belgium. So whether students leave our classes learning dancing or beatboxing or songwriting or beat making isn't really the point. The point of us coming here is just to allow students to have a new way to express themselves, a way to find confidence in their voice, and a way to use these tools that we have to make space for themselves and make their voices be known, and have the confidence to step into the room and be seen.
Yeah.